Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be talking about what is controlling and the characteristics of controlling. So, the process of monitoring activities to ensure that they are being accomplished as planned and of correcting any significant deviations is called controlling. Now the first characteristic is management function. Controlling is one of the most important functions of management, just like planning, organizing, staffing and directing. Without control, the other function of management would become worthless. Controlling ensures a balance between the planned performance and the actual performance of the organization. While other management functions take the initiation of activities to achieve organizational goals, whereas the controlling function help to make sure whether or not such activities are in right direction. Second characteristic is pervasive in nature. Pervasive means it is applicable and desirable everywhere, irrespective of the organization's nature and size. Control is required. Every manager at different level needs to exercise different control measures. Where top level managers exercise control to make plans and policies and instruct middle level. The third characteristic is goal-oriented. Controlling is a goal-oriented function. The main objective of controlling is to ensure the achievement of desired goal of the organization. Controlling is required to make sure all the activities and operations of the organizations are on the right track. It compares the actual performance with the standard, looks for any deviations, and if they are found, takes corrective measures to ensure the achievement of the company's goals. The next characteristic is continuous process. Controlling is a continuous process and exists along with the existence of the organization. Managers have to continuously keep track of the organization's performance and the work done. Different environment elements affect the performance of the organization and they may degrade the performance. As such, managers have to analyze the actual and standard performance and take corrective measures if required on a regular basis. The fifth characteristic of controlling is flexible in nature. The controlling function of the managers is not a rigid process. It is coordinative with other functions of management. It is a dynamic process that enables managers to change plans and policies according to the changes in a business environment. It is adaptive to the uncertainties of a business environment. The next characteristic is future-oriented. Controlling also looks into the future of the organization. It does not only consider the past and present performance of the company. It helps manager to learn from the past mistakes and experience to find new alternatives to solve problems. Past performance can be a base for future actions of the organization. The eighth characteristic is measurement and comparison. Controlling is a managerial tool to measure and compare an organization's actual performance with the set performance. As such, managers frequently compare the actual and standard performance and initiate corrective actions. Such activities contribute towards the achievement of desired goals within the given time and standard. The eighth characteristic is indispensable with planning. The controlling system is directly related to the planning function of the organization. Controlling is the last function of management, whereas planning is the first function. The last characteristic is corrective action. Last but not the least, one of the important characteristics of controlling function is it is a mean to take corrective actions. Managers' duty is to compare the actual performance of the organization with the standard ones. If no deviation is found between them, no corrective actions are required.